Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so you will be fine and healthy at your homes. Welcome to our Rangers Public School and College Bahawalpur, Class 7, Subject English Literature, Novel The Lost Word. I am Teacher Noreen. Today's the message of the day, I never lose. Either I win or I learn. Today's the topic is here. Dear students, we will read chapter number 2 and discuss also and solve book exercises. Objectives are here. At the end of the lecture, students will be able to read the text with intonation, enhance their vocabulary, identify the main events of this chapter. Recap is here, students. First of all, basically the story of this novel is an adventurous. Edward and Gladys were good friends. Edward proposed Gladys because she was very beautiful. She rejected his proposal because she wanted to marry a person who has a heroic qualities and adventurous person. Dear students, next is Edward work. As you know that in the Daily Gazette, Edward was given the challenge to take interview of Professor Challenger by Mr. McArdle. Look at this picture. Okay, the key points are here according to the chapter number 2 and also according to the pages, page number 8 to 10. In this chapter, we came to know the timing of interview was decided between Edward and Professor Challenger on Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Before going to the Professor Challenger's house, Edward went to his office to collect some important documents. Edward went to his house by a cab. In second passage, the physical appearance of the Professor Challenger was shocked and strange to Edward because he was not pleasant man in his appearance. Firstly, Edward introduced himself to Professor Challenger. Then Professor Challenger clearly told to Edward for agreeing to take the interview by liking his newspaper, the Daily Gazette. Professor Challenger told to Edward one thing more. If Edward called him a lawyer, then he will do same as he did with others. Edward asked first question to Professor Challenger. Why did he travel to South America? Professor Challenger told to Edward that the main purpose that he went to South America to study the animals of the Amazon. He met there some ill Indians who had been living there. He gave some medicine to them to improve their health. Professor Challenger told to Edward that he met with a white man whose name was Mapplewhite. Unfortunately, Mapplewhite was died due to illness. Professor Challenger told to Edward that he found a bag of Mapplewhite. In his bag there were lots of items. Professor Challenger also showed a sketchbook to Edward. This sketchbook contained drawings of Indians, turtles and cliffs. The last drawing was of extraordinary animal which he had never seen before. It had the head of a lizard, of a bird, the body of a lizard and a spiked tail. Have you got these points, students, according to the reading? And difficult words meaning are here. Cab, taxi, appointment, agreement, nodded, move head up and down, gasp, breath heavily, tap, knocked, enormous, huge, nervously, anxiously, spectacles, glasses, presume, assume or suppose, punch, hit, inhabited, developed or living, rags, old and torn clothes, terrible, dreadful, exhaustions, very tiresome, knapsack, a shoulder bag, cartridge, bullets, cliffs, hills, extraordinary, remarkable, spike, sharp pointed. Students, you will make the sentences of these words also. Elicitation. Why people called the Professor Challenger lawyer? In which newspaper Edward Wark described the physical appearance of the Professor Challenger? Have you got these questions? Follow-up work, students. The lost word, page number 60 and 61, exercise number 1, 2 and 3, 4, you will solve by yourself from the text. First question is, match the two halves of the sentences. Students, these are the match the columns, very easily you will fill it. And question number 2, complete the following sentences with the names in the boxes. You will fill the names according to the given lines. Have you got this activities? And next activities, students choose A, B or C to complete the sentences below. In the MCQs form, you will take one answer and the correct answer. Have you got this activity? And next activity, students, question number 4, find words in chapter number 2 which mean the same as. Have you got it? This homework? Students, you will solve by yourself and send it to your teachers. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.